Which material is a better conductor of heat? Which material is a poorer conductor of heat? That is what we will try to find out today in this experiment. Hi, I'm Mr. Long and I'm your science teacher today. Now this setup here is a simple troughs or container with different materials impaled into it. This is of course metal, different kind of metals. Alright, and this one is actually plastic, it's a non-metal. This is glass, a non-metal, and this wood, a non-metal as well. Now let's make a prediction. Which material is a better conductor of heat? Remember, a conductor of heat is a material that allows heat to travel through it easily and quickly. Have you made a prediction? Raise your hand if you think that metal is a better conductor of heat. If you choose that, then you will think, oh, it would be either the copper or the steel or both, compared to the non-metals. But we need a test, right, as scientists, to prove this. So what I've got here is some butter. This butter is in a solid state, as you can see. I'm going to place some butter over the ends of this material. And then I'm going to pour some really hot water into the trough. Now, if it's going to be true that heat travels, then when these ends of this material here gains heat, the heat should travel through these different materials. And the material that allows most heat to be transferred through easily, the material that is the best conductor of heat, will then start to melt the butter first. And so in other words, the rod with the butter that falls off first will be the best conductor of heat. Right? The rod with the butter that falls off first will be the best conductor of heat. So let's take a look. I'm putting some butter over this. It's a bit messy. Alright? And notice I'm putting them at all about the same distance away from the trough. Now, why do you think I'm doing that? Why am I controlling that variable? I do discuss this. Does it make a difference if I were to place a piece of butter nearer to the trough compared to the other pieces? Of course it does, right? This ensures that we are conducting a fair test. And the only change variable in this experiment will be the type of material. So I'm going to pour the water in now. Do observe what happens. I'll make sure the hot water completely covers the material, the 5 different rods inside. Okay, I've already fully covered each of the rod. All you have to do now is to sit back and observe. Oops, the butter over the copper rod has already fallen off. So, okay, this seems to tell us that copper is the best conductor of heat, and that is metal. But if we think that metals are the better conductor of heat compared to non-metals, then let's predict which will be the next piece of butter that will fall off.